guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Meka. For those of you that do not know me, if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on so that you are notified every time your girl upload a video. Okay, and welcome to the gang, welcome to the gang. Okay, so before we get into what this video is about, this video is sponsored by Melanin Touch Cosmetics. It's a black owned business. They sell lip gloss. This lip gloss I have on my lip right now is from Melanin Touch Cosmetics. They sell lip gloss, lip balm, chapstick, beard oil, skincare. So they have face wash, face mask, face scrub, face oil. So make sure you head on over there. So let's get into what this video is about. So I am back again with another wig video. This is the wig, this is the color. I have like 5 mothers. So I got this wig from one of my moms. I'm not sure where she got the wig from, but yeah, this is the hair. It's lace front. It has the straps and it also has the hooks on the inside, right? So this is it. So today we're going to install it. So I'm just going to show you guys how I install it and then show you guys the finished product and everything. In you can let me know, if you have any suggestions and comments or anything like that, you can leave it down below. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay. So I'm gonna put the wig on my head. Before I did that, I went in with my foundation and just applied some of the foundation onto the mesh underneath, on the lace underneath the cap. I quickly realized that this hair was not human hair, so yeah, the scalp was a little plasticky. And it wasn't really taking heat very well, but I did the best that I could. This is what it looks like. I actually love the color. It looks really nice. The color is really nice. So I went in with my Gotta Be spray and I just sprayed it on. I didn't really use any glue. I just sprayed on the Gotta Be and then I just cut off the lace with my razor. As you guys can see, basically what I'm doing. Instead of me chatting, I'm gonna just let you guys watch the video. Oh, y'all see me fighting with this wig. I was fighting with this wig this whole video. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I was fighting with this wig the whole video. And also after I went in with the Gotta Be, I took my blow dryer and I used it on cool to help the glue. It's not glue, it's like hairspray, to help the hairspray really like stick better. But y'all, I did the best that I could. Okay, so please don't judge me. This wig put me through hell. Okay, why am I chewing on the gum like that? I am chewing on the hell out of that gum. Yeah, don't mind me. Anywho, back to the video. Spray and the blow dryer for like, I did it a few times, and then also just to let you guys know, I cut off the ear tabs after the video because they were hurting my ears like crazy. So this is just me going in back with the Gotta Be, with the blow dryer, back and forth until it was to my liking, and then I moved on to the next step. So right here I just went in with my scissors and just did like some slits to cut off the lace instead of just cutting it all off together. I felt like that made it a little easier for me, and then I went in with my razor to get the extra lace off. Y'all, it was hard for me to see what I was doing because the mirror was like all the way on the side. But when you cut your lace off, you want to cut it as close to the hairline of the wig as possible. That's how you're going to get it to, you know, look as if it's coming out of your head. So yeah, just a little tip. It's me struggling to find a part. That's what's getting me right now. Like, it's me struggling. But anyways, after I went and struggled with this damn part that was so plasticky, I tried to flat iron it, but that didn't go nowhere. That didn't go as planned because, like I said, it's not really human hair. It's like, I guess, a mix or synthetic. So it was not taking no type of heat. Okay, no type of heat. But anyways, after I tried my best with the part, I went in with my curling wands and I used that to kind of just flatten the part a little bit because I don't have a hot comb, which I do need to get a hot comb, but I don't have a hot comb. And if you guys have a hot comb, you can use it. It will make your part sit flatter and looks more natural. So that's also another little tip. I don't know why I'm still trying to flat iron this hair, but I went ahead and clipped up the little ends. I did the best that I could do with this hair. This is the finished product. It actually didn't turn out that bad. I took it from behind my ear and showed you guys basically what it looks like not behind my ear and also what it looks like behind my ear. That is the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Big ass